Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Smart Learners Academy. In this video, we are going to learn XIRR Excel function or formula. So before that, let's try to understand what is practical use of XIRR formula in real world. So XIRR function or formula is used to calculate internal rate of return on your consistent or inconsistent investment. So we have listed three examples over here. So we'll walk through those examples and we'll walk through the XIRR formula also, so that you can relate it with the real world. So let's get started with scenario number 1. In scenario number 1, we are going to see consistent investment like SIP, systematic investment plan, where every month we are contributing 10,000. So this amount is in minus because it is credit from your account, so it is going away from your account, so that's why it is 10,000. And end of the year you are redeeming 130k amount. So in order to calculate the return, we will use XIRR function. I will wipe out existing formula so that we can build this formula function value from the scratch. So XIRR, you can see the parameter values and dates. We will select the values from P3 till B15. Then we need to select date range. A3 to A15 into 100. So it gave me 18.62. So the rate of return is 18.62. Now we'll see the scenario number 2, where the investment frequency is constant, but amount is not constant. Every month we are investing different amount. So we can see XIRR values F3 to F15 and dates E3 from E3 to E15 into 100. So it is giving me 7.20 percent as a return percentage. So we can see the amount are different each month. Here it is 100, in April it is 1000, in June it is 3000. So we will change the date because sometimes practically on each month we might not invest on same date. So let's change it to 10th April. You can see the percentage is changing. Here instead of 1st July we will see 15th July. You can see the percentage are changing. Now we will see a more practical real world scenario where we are doing inconsistent investment in terms of amount, date, and inconsistent redemption also, because practically we can redeem the amount on any day for our need. So we can see that the investment is happening on each first of each calendar day, but the amount is different, and redemption is happening on 1st June. Again, second redemption is happening on 2nd December. So we'll change the dates also. We can, in this example, we can give any date. So this formula giving me 17.20% as a rate of return. So basically this formula is robust enough to handle inconsistent date and inconsistent investment amount. So you can see the rate of return is highlighted in blue over here. So for such more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel and like, share and comment below. Thank you. Have a nice day.